The ACLU and some news organizations say HB 2319 that was passed this session and signed by Governor Doug Ducey violates the First Amendment. The bill's sponsor, a former cop, says that's not the purpose of the law.
The whole purpose of this law is to intimidate people and prevent them from exercising their First Amendment rights.
Dan Barr is a First Amendment lawyer who says a new law set to take effect this fall that prohibits people from recording video of police within 8 feet of any activity is unconstitutional.
If I'm standing next to the police officer holding my phone and doing an audio recording, I'm not violating this statute. But if I do a video recording, I am. I mean, what possible difference could that make to the police officer who's carrying out his or her duty 8 feet away? I'm either interfering with them or I'm not.
State Representative John Kavanaugh of Fountain Hills sponsored the bill that Governor Ducey signed last month.
I felt I passed a law that promotes the First Amendment, but by the same time protects police officers.
Kavanaugh is a former police officer. He says he wrote the bill to protect law enforcement officers so they can do their job without disruption and interference. He says he expected a legal challenge.
I don't want to violate the Bill of Rights, but I think that I've taken into account past decisions and criticisms, and I would love to see this go to the Supreme Court, have it affirmed.
There's already a law in Arizona that says you can't interfere with the police doing their jobs. So this law that John Kavanaugh has literally dreamed up out of his own head has no purpose whatsoever other than to prohibit people from exercising their First Amendment rights.
Barr says over the last several years, cell phone video has been vital in cases that have exposed police wrongdoing.
Whether it's the case this past weekend in Arkansas, whether it's the George Floyd case, I mean, there are plenty of cases involving cell phone video and the police doing traffic stops and the like that have been crucial.
It's all about balancing. It's all about reasonable. And this bill is very reasonable.
Now, the law will go into effect September 24th unless a federal court strikes it down. It's very likely a ruling from a federal judge comes sometime next month. I'm Eric Fink, News 4, Tucson.